Now guys, this is from the analysis we made yesterday on GBP, JPY and XAUUSD good. Okay, and yesterday when I dropped video on weekly analysis, I marked out these levels I'm about to show you guys. Okay, so you remember we did those analysis expecting price to react to those levels, those smart money levels this week. Now we marked this level out. We marked this level out on XAUUSD, and as at that time, gold was just pushing up. Gold was around this area, pushing massively to the upside. Now, from what we're expecting, we expected that gold will retrace after some time. Now, this is what is currently happening. Gold has successfully formed out some other levels like this area. We have a little break of structure and an order block around this area, and as well as this area we have a break of structure. But then the areas we marked out earlier are still very much strong and relevant. Now I see gold pushing down to this level. See this level, this first order block. Now we have this break of structure here. We have another tiny break of structure to the upside. Then we have these two other blocks resting here. Okay, so we're going to be marking out these levels properly, like we're going to be adjusting the levels properly to the relevant area where we feel the price might react to. So yeah, these areas are very relevant because price will react to those levels. So also let's mark out this break of structure. This is happening on the 15 minutes time frame because I'm seeing a possible buy. Okay, a very good one at that. Now on this area guys, there is a little other block resting here and a very small break of structure. So the question now is, would price get to this break of structure and this other block and start reversing to the upside? Well, I don't see that happening. I see price breaking through this whole zone, this whole level, this whole kind of support level. I see price using this level as liquidity area, liquidity zone. So I see price pushing to the downside and not respecting this second order block, but respecting this first order block. Yes, price getting to this second order block, there might be some reaction, but I see price breaking through it and tapping into this first order block. So what we're gonna do right now is mark at the level. We can draw out our long two and see if we could possibly have a trade from here. Okay, so we have a stop loss resting slightly below this swing low. Okay, and then we'll have a take profit to the top at this point of reversal. This is the point of reversal. So this is what I see happening on our chart. So this is a case of, let's say 1:, let's check out the risk to reward ratio first. This is a case of say 1:3.5. Okay, and I see this trade playing out perfectly well on XAUUSD. So the best thing we can do at this point in time is to set an alert around this zone. You see this second order block. We can set an alert here so that when price gets to this level, we'll see the reaction it's going to put up, and then we don't have to set a pending order yet. Just set an alert here and wait for it to react around this whole level or this whole zone. So we see what happens at the end of the day. As price keeps playing out, guys, we'll see what happens. And should this trade start playing out on my MT5, I'm going to update you guys, and I'm going to send this to my Telegram community as well, so that we can look at possible ways we can take this trade together. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if I'm giving you value, and turn on the post notifications so that YouTube can always recommend my videos to you. And don't also forget to like this video and share, so that a lot of newbies out there can start benefiting from the videos I drop. Right? So we'll wait patiently. We'll see what plays out. So patience is a virtue in forex trading. All right. When you're patient enough in forex trading, trust me, guys, you either miss some kind of trade that at the end of the day might not play out well, might probably take your stop loss away, and when you're patient, you always get good trades. So we'll wait patiently and I'll update you guys, okay? See you again very soon in my next video. And should this trade start playing out, I'll update you guys like I said.